Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the third video in which we're going to transform the quadratic function from its standard form to its vertex form, keeping in mind that the standard form is represented by a function of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and we're going to move that to function of x, which is equal to a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k, and that is its vertex form. And we're going to make that transformation happen by using the axis of symmetry, which is represented as x is equal to negative b divided by 2a. And right now we have our test example in which we have function of x is equal to 1 half x squared minus 3x plus 4. And that is in standard form. We're going to move that to vertex form momentarily. But let us use our old friend, the axis of symmetry, in which we're going to plug in negative 3 as our b value and 1 half as our a value. And so here we have right here a negative 3, which will give us a positive 3 in the numerator. And 2 times 1 half will give us 1. And so we have 3 over 1, which will give us 3 as our x value, which is really our h value when you take a look at it. But what we're going to do in the meantime, we're going to see it as x. And so we're going to plug in 3 wherever we see x. And so now we have function of x is equal to 1 half 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 4. And here's what's going to happen. We're going to get 4.5 minus 9 plus 4. And our answer is going to be a negative 0.5, right? Because see, right here, we have a 4.5 plus 4. And what's going to happen, we're going to get a 0.5 in the end. And so our vertex would be at 3, comma, negative 0.5. And let's go ahead and plug in our 3, because now 3 has become our h. And we're going to plug it right here into our vertex form of our parabola right here, or of our quadratic function. And so now we have function of x is equal to 1 half times the quantity of x minus 3 squared minus 0.5, in which you see it right here. Okay, and so again, that is function of x is equal to 1 half times the quantity of x minus 3 squared minus 0.5, and that is vertex form. And here's what that tells us. That tells us that there will be a shift 3 units to the right, and it's going to be a shift 1 half unit downward. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information, and I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video just to take a look at this chart one more time, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to make that transformation from standard form to vertex form of a quadratic function. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.